Okay. Hey.
I didn't understand what you meant, no?
You need to start understanding. Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. So I have here with me today
𝗖𝗿𝗆𝗃𝗃.
Alright, so she wants to learn how to trade crypto, and I've decided to document the process, okay, to teach you, most especially those of you who don't have any idea of what cryptocurrency is, how to trade it, how to make money with it, okay? So whatever I'm teaching her today, if you start implementing it, definitely she becomes an expert. It means that you too will become an expert. So this is video series 1, okay, and we're going to start by setting her up. Alright, so the exchange we will recommend to start with is Bybit. So we need to go to my Telegram platform, okay, to sign up for a Bybit account. Then we'll proceed from there, all right? So if you want to equally follow suit, the link to sign up for a Bybit account will be, if you're on Telegram already, fine. If not, use the link in the video description to join us, or use the link too in the video description to sign up for a Bybit account, or the link on my bio. All right, so let's open up the Telegram app. Okay, and then once you come into the Telegram, you see the option here that says sign up for a Bybit account. Click on it. Then go ahead and open it up. So once you are on this page, right, you have different options to sign up, right? You can either use your email, as you can see here, right? You can use your email, you can use your phone number, and then you can equally use, right? You have this option here to use your Google account, okay, your Apple account, your Telegram, any of these options that you want, you can use it to sign up. Most importantly, you want to make sure that on the referral code here, that digital is actually there, right? So make sure that digital is there. If you don't see anything right there, go ahead and type in digital, and this gives you access to all of the welcome bonus, because as a partner with Bybit, there are a whole lot of welcome bonuses that you stand to gain, up to 30,000 in rewards, okay? So make sure that you take advantage of that. All right, so now we go ahead. What option do you want to use? Phone number, email, and all of that, okay? So type your email, type your password, and then you go ahead and click on the sign up option. So in the process of signing up, okay, this thing that pops up here, let me assume that you don't know what it is. It is called a CAPTCHA, right? So it comes in different form. As it is right here, you see that right here, there is an icon right here, okay? You can click to drag this. What are we doing? We want to put this, okay, in this hole right here, right, to match that area. So you have two options. You can either drag it from here or drag it from here, right? So we can now go ahead and any of those ones that we use will work. Okay, so if I drag from here, you just need to match it right there. Okay, if it is correct, you'll see it is drawn, right? So it will come up again. When it come up again, you try it again. Okay, so drag until you match that in that hole, right? Okay. Wow. So that works, right? Once you copy the code that is sent to your email and you have actually typed it, the next page you come to is the exchange will ask you to verify your account. All right. So as a Nigerian, it's very simple. We just need your BVN to verify this account. So go ahead. Click on verify now. So let's proceed. Click on continue. So right here on this page, you put your last name, okay, the same way it appears on your bank, right? So you put your copy of BVN, put it there, and then you put your last name, the same way it appears on your bank, then you click on continue. Okay. Okay, so you can see the process is very seamless. It doesn't take much time, but make sure that your internet is very good, okay, when you are doing this, right? Okay, so now the account has been verified. You can see the notification right there. Don't worry, this this verified now will soon go off. So the account has been verified. The next thing we need to do right now is to fund this account. Okay, and there are two ways we can fund this account. We can either fund this account via another crypto wallet, maybe from another exchange, from another decentralized exchange, and all of that. Or we can use the option called the P2P. All right, so I'll just walk you through those two options right now to see how you can fund your Bybit account once you create it. Okay, click on asset. So we can see that the balance is 0 right here. So what we need to do right now is to click on deposit. And then when you click on deposit, you have these different options. Okay, so we have the option that is P2P, that we can buy crypto right now with our bank. Okay, or we can use the deposit crypto option, right? We can use the deposit crypto option. So let's go with the P2P first. Click on the P2P. So once we come to the P2P page, this is what people are ready to sell USDT. You can see right here that we have the buy option. So we want to buy. That is why we're on the buy option. All right. When you want to sell back to your bank, you use the sell option to sell. But we are going to buy, so we'll focus on the buy option right here. Okay. So we go ahead, and the first thing I want you to do when you come to the P2P page, all right, is to click on this icon right here. By the way, if it is not showing your currency, we're in Nigeria, that's why it's showing NGN, which is our own currency code and all of that. If it is not showing, you can click there and select your own country's code or currency code. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing we want to do before we buy is to make sure that you click on this filter option, right? Click on the filter option, and then on that filter, make sure that the show only verified advertiser is checked, and then you want to equally check this one that says eligible ads. Okay, show only eligible ads. Make sure that those two are checked, and then you click on confirm. So once we click on confirm, we have the option to buy from this first person. The first ad is always the cheapest, right? So this person is ready to sell at 1,669. Okay, same thing here. But if you continue to scroll down, you see that it becomes more, expensive, right? So you need to buy always from this first person or from the second person. Whatever it is, the choice is yours. Now, one thing you need to equally pay attention to when you want to buy on the P2P marketplace is if we look at the ad right here. This is the person selling the USDT, right? And the quantity this person currently has is this. And the limit, this person is ready to sell from 20K to about 24K, right? So let's assume that you wanted to buy USDT worth 100K, 200K. You definitely will not buy from this person, right? So if we check the next person from 20K, the limit is from 20 to 24, definitely you won't buy from this person. The next person here is from 20 to 250K, so it means that you can buy from that person, right? So you can go ahead. If you want to save your time the stress, you can click on this amount where it says amount, okay? And then once you click on it, you want to enter the amount that you want to fund the account with, right? Let's say you want to fund the account with maybe 1 million, okay, worth of crypto or so. You go ahead and type that right there, okay? And then you click on confirm. So it will only show you ads from people who are ready to sell within that range. Okay, so right here you can see that the first person here is about 32. Okay, forget about this first person because this is boosted by Bybit. So here you can see from 100K to about 2.5, you can buy from that person, from 500K to about 2.5, and it goes on that way, right? So any amount that you want to buy, you can go ahead and check that. But if you want to buy in bulk, like in bulk, okay, then you go back to that filter option. If you click on it, then you want to make sure that where it says show only blog advertisers is equally checked. Once you check this, you'll be able to see, let's say you want to buy 50 million worth of crypto, 100 million worth of crypto, you'll be able to see all of that right here. Okay, so with that being said, let's assume that we want to buy from this first person right here or the second person. Go ahead and click on buy. Now, when you click on buy, it brings you to this page. The next thing you want to do is to type that amount that you want to buy. So go ahead and type 1 million right there. So once we proceed and you click on that buy option, immediately the person's account details will be displayed, right? If we come back to the asset page right here, click on deposit again. Now, when you click on deposit, click on the deposit crypto option. So once you come in here, you can deposit all kinds of crypto. All the crypto that is supported by Bybit, whether it is Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Solana, Ethereum, any of the coins you want to deposit, you can do that right here. Okay, so if we want to make that deposit, any of these that we are selecting, we can go ahead and say, let's select USDT. You can see USDT right here. If you don't see it right here, you can use the search bar at the top to search for any coin you want. But let's say we want to deposit USDT, go ahead and select USDT. And once you select USDT, there are different networks right here. Okay, once you select USDT, you cannot select the Ethereum 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽𝗁 network and then you go and send your crypto using a 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽𝗁 network. Okay, you will lose your money. So if you select 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽𝗁 network from here, make sure that from whatever wallet you're sending that money to, okay, it is equally 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽𝗁. If it is 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽𝗁, make sure it is 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽. If it is Arbitrum1 you want to use, make sure that it is Arbitrum1. And when you are copying the address, okay, make sure you let the other party know that this is the network that I'm using. All right, and the fee for all of this network all differs. Okay, the most expensive is 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽, and then it goes on that way. But in this case, we're going to use 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽, so select 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽. So once you select 𝗘𝗅𝗀𝗽, an address will be generated for you. So this address is unique to you. Any deposit that comes to this address is coming straight to your account. So this is the address you can now copy. There is an icon in front of it here. You click on it to copy it. Once you click on it, you see the exchange will notify you that the address has been copied. All right, so this is the address you will now send to anybody, and then the person can send the crypto to that address, and you'll be able to receive it immediately. Now, if you want to claim rewards, okay, all the rewards that Bybit is giving and all of that, if you come to the home page right here, you see where it says Reward Hub, click on it. I think you have some rewards right there. So once you come to the Reward Hub, you will see that a whole lot of rewards right here for you, okay? So the first one here is if you deposit $100 via P2P, all right, and you trade up to 50,000 in volume, you will be able to get $17 to pay for fee, all right? This first and the second one, they are all fee waivers, right? So $10 too is for fee waiver. If you want this, you can go ahead and accept them. Then the next one here, this is not a fee waiver. You can get up to 20 OL token. I think OL is trading around 20 or 30 cents right now. Okay, all you need to do is to equally accept and make a deposit of at least $100, right? Via P2P or via another crypto wallet. Okay, then the newcomer exclusive, you can stake your $100 on savings and get 300% APY. Okay, you can invest $100 via bot trading and get $5 bonus. You can invest your $100 via copy trading, okay, and get $5 bonus, and it goes on and on, right? So right here we have another reward, okay, deposit $100 trade to receive $15 bonus, deposit $100, get 20 OL, I think we've talked about that one, then trade 50,000 to get $10 rewards and all of that. So all you need to do, any of this that you want to participate in, okay, you just go ahead and accept all of them, and once you meet up with whatever the criteria are, you'll be able to receive the rewards. All right, I hope that is helpful. Do you understand all this thing I've explained?
Yes, I do.
All right, so this will be the first part of the video. I don't want us to dwell here so that we don't make it too long. Okay, the next one we'll be looking at is how to transfer funds from your funding wallet to your unified trading account, and then from your unified trading account, how to trade spot, how to trade futures, and all of that. So this will be coming in our subsequent series. Okay, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. All right, give the video a thumbs up, and if you don't understand anything, you can always use the comment section, or you can join us on Telegram. The link will be on my bio or in the video description. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now,